This 2023 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features one Slideout, a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 2, refrigerator, smoke detector, LP detector, air conditioning, Colorado detector, awning, TV antenna, stove top burner, microwave, leveling jacks, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is 4,674 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.